What's going on, Rejuvenation? I'm Jordan, and today's Shoe Care Academy video is going to be a little bit different. We are cleaning not one, but 40 pairs of sneakers for our friends over at eBay. Now, these shoes are all being sold to eBay, and we have Jordans, Yeezys, Foamposites, Air Force Ones, the list goes on and on. There's no way I'm gonna be able to clean these up by myself, so I recruited our team members at the drop-off cleaning service to make this happen. It's gonna be a huge project, so let's get started. All right, we got our cleaning stations all set up and our first pair selected. This is Mark. He's gonna be taking on these 2001 Plum Dunks that are older than him. And this is not Vic, this is Heron. He's going to be cleaning up these 04 Bred 13s. And I'm gonna be taking on these Heron Preston Nike 720s. Let's get into it.
Lunch on the company today? That's crazy. Good looks.
eBay is launching an exclusive sneaker drop known as From the Collection with Heron Preston. In order to make this a success, they trusted our team of shoe care professionals to prep for the big launch. The rejuvenation process includes cleaning and the use of additional products to bring these sneakers back to life and get them ready to go to their new homes.
Putting a nice piece of Scotch tape, applying it to the inner sole, and then these little dust bunnies and sock bunnies just in the crevices I'm not able to reach. Probably the best way to get all the sock bunnies and little hairs out.
So we're all done with these plums. We're going to be moving on to these Vitaltex by Nike 2002.
I finished up cleaning my first pair. Now I'm going to take on these 2004 Olympic Jordan 7s using our Rejuvenator Essential Kit. Heron Preston is a name that you may know within the sneaker industry. Outside of his own personal label, he made a name for himself by working with the GOATs of the sneaker community. These 40 sneakers will be available for purchase through eBay, and part of the proceeds will be given back to charity. You get to pick up OG sneakers from a big name and give back. What's better than that? All right, we went ahead and finished one of these. Now, this is exhausting. Normally, we only have to clean one shoe.
Just got done with these 04 Bred 13s. Now on to these 2010 White Cement 3s. Let's get into it. Beat Johnny's.
At first glance, this project seemed overwhelming, but I was beyond excited to get started. After rummaging through the boxes and finding some hidden gems among the 40 sneakers, this team of sneakerheads was ready to tackle the cleaning process. All right, it's been a few hours. We are 8 pairs down, 32 more to go. We did recruit another person, so we will have a little bit more help, but let's get to these cleanings and bust out the rest of these shoes. Off to the drying rack. All right, I'm about to start my 4th pair. I'm going to be cleaning up these 02 Chicago 2s. Now, I underestimated how long this was going to take. My back hurts, but we're making progress. We only have about 28 pairs to go. Hey Vic, did you come to help?
Just supervising today, Jordan. Keep up the good work.
Oh, thanks.
Now, onto these 2011 True Blue 3s. Let me go set down these White Cement 3s over there.
Our cleaning team set up the cleaning stations with cleaning mats, solution, microfiber towels, and all 3 brushes to give these sneakers the best clean possible. With the help of a healthy mix between the Essential Kit, the Signature Kit, the Dry Suede Kit, and sneaker wipes, these were truly rejuvenated. Alright, we have about 2.5 hours left in the day. We are 13 pairs down. We have 3 people working on these shoes now, and we have less than 20 pairs to go. We're back. It's day 2. Yesterday we got through about 20 pairs of shoes, so we have about 20 left. We still have Mark's Premium and Garrett helping us out, so we're not going to waste any more time. We only have 24 hours to get the rest of these done. With 40 sneakers, we knew that we were going to require quite a big team. Now, we had Mark, one of our lead shoe care specialists, take on some of the harder sneakers. Then we had Yared, he held his own on those sneakers. And then we had Akil and Hayden that stopped by for a little bit of assistance.
Want to sleep at 8 p.m. last night? I was tired. And we usually do this all the time. But these shoes were definitely dirty, but we're making them look good again. That's what a souvenir does.
I'm cleaning these Supreme Camo Air Force Ones. These had to have been his daily wears because they are beat. To get them completely clean, they definitely need a non-yellowing, but we're just gonna keep scrubbing and hope for the best.
For being real, I don't know the name of this particular shoe, but I really like it. These weren't that bad as far as cleaning wise goes. Honestly, it's a very easy clean. Get an idea of how they were before. Still not down, but still got a couple hits right there. We got tweezers too, so I'll probably bring those out of here after this. See how we can't get that hair. It is tedious, but it gets the job done.
All right, we are down to the last couple of pairs. I'm cleaning these Jordan 1 mids that might be the most beat of the bunch. All right, we are down to the last 5 pairs of this 40 pair cleaning project for eBay. Are you guys ready to be done?
Yes,
Do it.
ma'am. Got a couple of stains here in the toe box.
This is probably the favorite pair of shoes that I've cleaned this whole time. I personally want these Nike woven Chukalo, if I'm not mistaken. Something in that edition, but bro, beautiful shoe, beautiful. And luckily he didn't beat these up too bad, so it should be an easy cleanup for sure.
We are on our last pair, so Mark's Premium and I are gonna split this up.
Kind of like the shoe. I respect it for being Air Force. Dope shoe, dope colorway.
We are all done cleaning Heron Preston's collection for eBay. Now this was a long project. We had 40 pairs of shoes to clean and disinfect, but we got it done thanks to Mark's Premium and Yared, and we're all wrapped up. So let us know in the comment section if you want to see more of these videos, and use that promo code in the description to save 10% off, and we'll see you guys again soon in the next Shoe Care Academy video.